Okay, y'all, I am going to attempt to iron on to this Coozie. My son came up with the idea for this design and I put it together. I created that in Photoshop and he came up with the idea, so he gets creative credit for it too. And it's pretty much his. Alright, so let's see how we're going to do this. So we're going to take this and we're going to just put a little warmth. I hope it doesn't melt it. Just a little warmth. And then my sewing machine is blocking the light. We're going to do it like that. I don't want it to go onto the towel. So I'm trying to do this one-handed. Hold on. Let's see if I can just prop you guys up. Because I don't have my tripod out right now. That's not gonna work. Alright, let's give it a go and hope it doesn't stick to the... Oh, bad idea with that hand, Linda. That did not feel good. Well, let's hope it doesn't stick to the towel. I probably should stop in between and... Please don't be burning it. Okay, it didn't stick to the towel. Now, we're going to take it and we're going to fold it like this. And then we're going to have to put the phone down. And I will take a picture when I get done with it.